Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add a custom hostname in GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click your profile name on the top right menu and go to My Products page. Now you need to scroll down until you'll see your domain name right here, and you need to click DNS. So we need to look at this bar right here, this menu, and we need to click host names, which is the fifth in the menu. So let's click host names. So host names let you use your domain to create custom name servers that can be used on this and other domain names, guys. So you need to click add a host name button right here. Right here, you need to enter your host URL. Then you need to enter the IP address right here. You can also add another value right here, guys, and once you will fill these gaps, you need to click the save button and you will add a custom host name in GoDaddy. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.